Amid the spike in cases in Delhi, the AAP government is now considering imposing a night curfew. The government has informed the High Court that though no final decision has been taken yet, it is actively considering steps including imposing night curfew to tackle COVID surge. The court was hearing a plea seeking to ramp up COVID-19 testing facilities in Delhi. The High Court bench also observed that the Delhi government's compliance of their last order on procuring more ICU facilities was inadequate. The Delhi government there assured that more ICU beds will be added within 6 to 8 days. The High Court bench also pulled up the government on the collection of fines for no masks. They observed that an online portal must be created for fine payment and the money there must be used for a good cause. Delhi yesterday reported 5,246 new COVID-19 cases and 99 deaths. City now has a total of 38,287 active cases and is the third worst hit in the country. Anisha Mathur joining us live for more details. Anisha, AAP government being pulled up by the Delhi High Court. The court asks the government and what are the kind of measures they're implementing on ground to curb the surge of the widest spread. In fact, Delhi is the worst hit in the country, third worst, as they say. Delhi government justifying, saying they've done all that they can. They're mulling over a night curfew. Take us through the details on the preparations that the government mulls over.
Well, Nabila, the detailed affidavit and statements have been made by the Delhi government before the Delhi High Court, and by the end of almost 2-hour-long hearing, the court has accepted that yes, there seem to be adequate number of beds in the government COVID care facilities, but they have asked exactly what is being done to ensure better awareness. What the government has also been directed by the High Court is to involve RWAs as well as market associations to ensure that people are made aware of the rules regarding COVID, that people follow the rules regarding COVID. And one interesting point that the High Court bench led by Justice Hima Kohli has made is that what exactly is the fine and the punishment that is being imposed on people who violate the COVID norms. In fact, when the government has been asked to give details about how many people have actually been prosecuted under the various, how many people have been challaned and how many FIRs under Section 188 have actually been filed in so far when it comes to violation of COVID norms. One point that the court has also made is that the Section 188 has a very small amount of fine and imprisonment involved. The court has said that the government needs to be stricter.
Absolutely.
Another thing that they have observed is that the number of deaths are increasing and the situation is getting out of hand. Therefore, the associations must be involved so that people in general are involved in combating COVID.
Right.
Back to you.
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Delhi government responding to the High Court, which pulls up for inadequate preparedness over the COVID-19 pandemic in the national capital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.